Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Doing a very special car, 2007 Shelby 40th anniversary 427 Super Snake. Whopping 725 horsepower. This is a one-owner car with a little over 600 miles. And he checked every box. It's got every option available. Shelby forged wheels. Sitting in the original tires at Pirelli's. Rear louvers, side louvers. Car really speaks for itself. Amazing collector piece. Six-speed manual, signature hood, the vents, just gorgeous. Obviously six-speed manual. We have all the documentation, owner's manuals have never been opened. 427's got the embroidered seats, also with the Cobra embossed on there, ghost stripe. CSM 07 SS Super Snake 0412. They made 500 of these cars. Embroidered floor mats, leather wrapped steering wheel, fourth row shifter, Shaker 500, it's got an integrated 6-disc changer, full gauge pack, gear boost. Whew. Man, that twin screw sounds so good. Oil pressure, fuel, CSM badge, gorgeous. It's got the auto dimming rearview mirror with the integrated compass too. Shelby signature up there. Beautiful, obviously collector owned. Very special car. These are 275/35 ZR20s. And look at those monster brakes. Drilled and slotted rotors. One-off wing. These cars came with Borla exhausts. The owner even wrote in this book here. It's pretty neat. Every time it got fuel. A couple of pages too. Pretty neat. Got the original owner manuals. Never even been opened. Screws for the front license plate. These feel like wheel locks. Very cool. Signature badge. That is awesome. got a Kennyville polished twin screw blower. Polished chrome valve covers. Got all the right caps. These are all billet caps. Fuse box cover. A little bit of touch on the top of the struts. Super snake. The Kennyville TS Series D217117. All these motors are all hand built. The serial number as well. Signature strut tower brace. Hood is actually functional, you can see. Kennyville intake. It's an amazing car. Carbon fiber mirror caps. So it has monster brakes up front too. Little like garbage pail lids. Signature vent here as well. Look at the front rotors. I think those are 6 pistons up front. And a 285/35 ZR20 up front too. Chrome or carbon fiber lower valance. Carbon fiber lower chin spoiler. It's got a cool license plate frame that kind of comes out and comes up. Pretty neat. Just tuck it away. Never know what's there. And who would have thought this would have been a collectible? I guess from day one they're collectible. Well, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out the website. I took about 200 photos of this car. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.